The high frequency and tricky words for this week are
what, could, asked, house, about, your, day, here.
Are there any words that you might find difficult?
Some of the words have letters which we don't say when we're reading them. We call these silent letters,
like the silent E at the end of house and here, or the breathy H in what, which most people pronounce as what. One tricky part is that some of the words break the phonics rules, like these words, which although they look like they've got the same phonemes, they are all pronounced differently, like the orange OU in could, house, about, and your, or the bright blue A in what, asked, about, and day, and even the ED at the end of asked, the Y at the end of day, and the ER in here. The more you practice reading these words, the easier it becomes to recognize them. It's important to know the meaning of words so that you can use them again. Let's look at the meaning of these words by saying them in a sentence and looking at a picture for them. What is in the box? Could you pass me the duck, please? I asked you a question. Come over to my house and play. I read about that on the news. It's your birthday. Which day of the week is your favorite? You are here on the map. Can you remember this week's high frequency and tricky words? The words are
what, could, asked, house, about, your, day, here.
Can you say them in slow motion?
Pause here.
Do you remember the meaning for all of these words? If not, ask an adult for help, or why not use a dictionary? To find out how to use a dictionary, watch this video. The link is in the description. Let's say this week's high frequency and tricky words together. Are you ready?
What, could, asked, house, about, your, day, here.
Now can you say all the words as fast as you can?
Pause here.
Can you make a sentence with one or more of these words? Here's mine. Could you come here? He asked. Hopefully you can now recognize all of these words. If not, ask a friend or adult for help. Today let's play a game of tennis to practice. This game is played when you find a partner and then one of you says the word and the other person repeats it. Then you move on to the next word and the next. It's almost as if you're batting the word between each other. Have a go.
Pause here.
Today, have a look at all the words and see which ones you need to practice more. Then, using the different voices, try and say them to a friend.
Pause here.
If you're interested in any of these resources, they're available on the PayHip store. Please click like, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe.